What do you think about pot stocks?
Plain old telephone service.
No,
P-O-T-S.
Like pot, like smoking pot.
Well, my pot is plain old telephone service. Your pot is smoking stuff. I don't have a point of view on your pots, but I have a point of view on mine. The only thing I am concerned about with your pot is the following. There is no question that this has been going on in Amsterdam for an extended period of time. So I look at Amsterdam and I say, do people substitute smoking pot for drinking beer? Mm-hmm. And what impact does that have on booze, beer, and wine drinking? And so far, the evidence has not been overly conclusive, okay? So that's the only way I would think about it.
But you care because you've invested in those booze stocks for a long time and made a lot of money in them.
Yeah, because I believe that, you know, if you and I were here in 1955, that's not long ago. Mm. And I happen to know the number. There was 2.8 billion people, and now there's 7.5 billion. But 3 billion of those are India and China. And as far as I can tell, the Chinese love to gamble, and they're willing to drink, and the Indians are the same way as opposed to other parts of the world. So I have a rising income in two parts of the world that at the margin are going to go. Secondly, in China, 90-odd% of what they consume and when I was there in 1981, we used to drink motais, you know, come by, you know, drink it down and slug it down the way I used to drink grappa, so I was okay. Independent of all of that, 90% plus is only the local beverage. Motai, you know, it's a Baidu type drink.
Yeah.
So that as you come in with booze, whether it's Irish whiskey, which is Jameson, which is Pernod, or you come in with products that Remy Martin sell, or you even come in with bourbon, that helps the system. Secondly, they're selling up. So you can buy a bottle of wine for $50, but you can get a premium Irish whiskey for $35. And Maker's Mark and Woodford Reserve are certainly brands that I, you know, want you to buy.
Yeah,
so I like that because there's pricing power, and there's growth, and there's a tailwind of this. So I'm totally in favor of the booze business, and you know, that is very interesting time frame.